This is CRAM, and CRAM is about educating people and what the stuff that's hidden at universities.
The idea to bring research out into multiple publics is critical in these times, and the energy from the audience could not have been more engaged.
This is an amazing city. It's filled with really smart people and amazing ideas that are happening. And the neat thing about CRAM is that we, the rest of the people who aren't coming up with those ideas, get to learn about them.
I think that if we could have more of this stuff and actually get people engaged from the public about what we're doing in the university, then I think that'll be a great thing.
At a certain point, we're obsessed with performance.
They just had their world rocked.